Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go.
Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Zeg Beauty. Today I want to show you how to achieve Rufus Gele hairstyle wrap. Yes, this head wrap style is called Rufus, and this material I am using is called Sego. Sego material, Sego Gele, is more stronger than the normal ashoke. So this material, once you have this material, what you will do, just squeeze it, because some of them are so hard. Then first divide it in equal 50-50. We call it 50-50. You divide it, the measurement is 50-50 equal. Try and create like 5 to 6 plates at the front. Okay, thank you guys. I just wanted to focus your eye on my hand to see the way I'm going to use this material to achieve this Sego Gele. This Sego Gele to achieve Rufus style. So that is, you see the way I am just creating the fan. Create the fan at the both sides, then you knot it for front, tight it proper, then you start creating your Rufus. Okay guys, I'm super excited because my music is out, but yes, I just say a big thank you for every one of you that supports me. My music is out. Very soon I will start using it on my live on Facebook. In fact, I will try to enter live on Facebook today or tomorrow to rock with my music. Yes, so that is my music. Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house. Jehovah will carry you to my studio to come and purify yourself. In case Jehovah not carry you come my studio, me, Jehovah will carry me to your house. Anyone. The important thing, we do the transformation. Yes, so I base here in United Kingdom, London. I'm available to travel. In case you can't come to me, I do home service. Contact me. My number is there. Yes, we are all in one beauty. We do makeup. We do gele. We do traditional bridal hairstyle. We do photo shoot as well. This, oh, guys, in fact, we don't upgrade well. This video you are watching, and this video is one of my old video I have. So by the special grace of God, I just upgrade my studio and I upgrade my camera as well. I just want to repeat this video again because I am too busy this season to do new video. That is the reason I just go into my gallery to pick up some of my old video I already used before. Yes, by the time you notice for front, you see the way, just focus your eye on my hand. Don't, that is the main secret of how to achieve any hairstyle. Focus your eye so as you see what I'm doing there. So by the time you do the both sides fan, you knot it for front, you use your pin to not pin it, then you just rough it. This style is called Rufus. The meaning of that Rufus is we are roughing with the rough fan. You go squeeze on for front. Yes, so that's the trendy style. Many people know how to do it with ashoke, but guys, this Sego, you see, in case you are from Igbo, or you know, some people they don't like ashoke. All these Igbo crossover state, all these, so most of them don't use ashoke. This is the material they use. Don't worry, you can achieve your Rufus in case you like this style. Okay, guys, thank you. This is the final. She is popping. She is popping. Me, you see, me, I do photographer as well. I do everything, anything beauty, I am there. Now I'm going to take her some pictures. Yes, I will take her some pictures. We are done for the day. Let's listen to my music again. Bye.
Anywhere you go, you need some makeup love. Dead beauty.
In case you need your gele to be tight.
Dead beauty. Looking good and looking nice. Dead beauty.